1 2 1 2 2 2 and a 1. Let's listen to some blues too. Let's listen to some blues. Uh, all right. Boom, boom. I am live. I know I'm live, mate. I know I'm live.
Slightly hungover, slightly hungover you. Slightly hungover, slightly hungover you. I'd be lying, baby, if I said it wasn't true. Slightly hungover, maybe slightly blue. Slightly hungover, maybe slightly blue. I never had the blues, baby, before I met you.
Hello, Samuel. How are you, mate? Good morning, Brogan. Woof! That's a good instant coffee. All right, so I'm gonna wait for
Slightly hungover,
I need to adjust my camera.
slightly hungover
Shit,
you.
my camera unplugged. I think.
Slightly hungover, slightly
Right.
hungover
Now we're
you.
talking. Here.
You shouldn't lie, baby, no, to someone who loves you.
New York City in the house. That's awesome.
And I do.
That is awesome, Joshua. Well, you know what? I love New York City. And if you are from New York and you haven't eaten at the Red Rooster in where is it? It's not in Brooklyn. It's in just Google the Red Rooster. Actually, we're going to Google it right now. It's in the Bronx, I think. The Red Rooster. It's in Harlem. No, not in the Bronx. It's in Harlem. Just go. Oh, it's
I'll
amazing.
be over you.
Right, so I have a ton going on right now today,
I'll
mates.
be over you.
Uh, Harlem, exactly, Harlem. It's amazing. That place is awesome, man. I really, really like it. The sweet potato soup, it's oh, top notch. Another place that I had a ton of fun eating at was Sushi at Jones. The omakase at Sushi at Jones was amazing. Yeah, New York, it's a trip. I love it. If you haven't gone to Sushi at Jones, I really, really, really recommend it. So I have a couple of things running. One of the things that I have running on the VIP group is a gold short, friends. Gold short rocking at the moment. Yup. This is my gold short trade rocking. Right. This is my gold short. Yeah, and I'm actually going to pause my blues. This is the music that I listen to when I work. I find out that it's the only music that I can listen to when I work. You know, so I am going to record the video explaining my gold shorts to my VIPs, right? So hear me out. All right, start recording. Hello, traders. How are you? Orlando here. So why don't we talk about my gold shorts at the moment? What I'm looking at is just a continuation of the gold sellout now because this pullback towards this supply zone happened on our slip. I was looking for the open for further downside continuation in this market. Now, on the 5-minute chart, right, I was looking at this a bull trap, which in fact was pretty obvious, right? We were going to get somewhat of profit taken at this level, but I was looking at it as a bull trap or a dead rapid bounce, right? So pretty simply, what I did was I put a sell stop below the lows with my stop losses above the 50-minute high, right? This is just a 50-minute play, guys, above the 50-minute high. I am targeting, however, the very lows of the move at around the 1641, right here. But I will be taking some off at this low. This is a very strong level, so I will be taking more than half off at the 1.62R. So let's keep rocking it, and I am live right now, so come join me. So that's the kind of trades that our VIPs get. That's the kind of videos explaining the thought process our VIP get. Yeah. And we're just starting off the day with a nice trade in gold. So if you haven't done so, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? Right, so where the fuck here? Let me just send this to my VIPs, mates, because they are the most important group. All right, so gold setup and thought process. Ton of things going on, man. Ton of things going on. So what the fuck are you doing so early up in New York, Joshua? I mean, it's 1:24 a.m. here, so it must be like 2:24 a.m. in New York. Yeah, you're coming. So we're going to have a look at a couple of things here today. So grab your coffee, grab your oatmeal, cookies, or whatever it is that you eat in the morning, and let's rock it. This gold short is looking very good, so I'm gonna scratch it. 3:24 a.m. Yes, that's right, 3:24. We early birds. I start my day always at 1 a.m. And like you, I think that you trade, right? or you just coming up from the club. I don't know. But if you want to be a trader, you have to be up at, and if you live, in this side of the world, exactly, you have to be up at this time. So the pound yen, my friends, the pound yen is I was talking about the pound yen yesterday about that big, that big trade that I want to get involved in. But this is not ready yet. And to be completely honest, right now it's looking a little bit eerie. Rogan, man, so yeah. I mean, you live in the UK, so you get the pleasure to wake up with the birds, but we don't. We get up with the bats. So the pound yen still not ready, mate. Still not ready. I am, but if you look at what has happened yet, yes, yeah, we got that final breakout, right? The ones above the 170, but this price action price printing a new lower high, etc., etc., etc. I am looking for that pullback today towards towards this level. I mean, we have a gap here, which means imbalance, right? I don't know if it's going to get filled or not. I am, however, going to place a buy order, buy limit around these levels later today. Now, this level right here, the 168.20, I think should be yellow. I'm going to explain to you why. Let's go to the 4-day chart. That's right. That's right. Should be yellow. So here it is. This is the key level, key pivot level in historic price action that I'm talking about. This should be yellow too. Let's put on that yellow color, and I'm gonna tag it. This is October 2014 lows. This is the level. Always tag your big crazy ass levels accordingly. Lows. Okay. And this is what? April 2015 lows and February 2016 highs. Right. So I'm gonna tag it. What was it? April. Right. So it's April 2014 lows. April 14. April 14 lows. Good morning in South Africa, in the house. It is what is it? January 16 highs. So big ass fucking level there, right? 16 highs. Gulda. All right, so here we go. This is the level. Let's go back to this is the thing, right? This is a 4-day chart. Let's go to the daily chart because what I want to see, I want to have a look at this, right? Now, yesterday's candle, big ass crazy breakout on that candle. I have a sky high. Cheers. All right, I have a ton of discount coupons for the VIPs and for the F1 strategy, but I'll give it that later. You'll have to wait. Hello, please also post your VIP setups in Telegram groups for us more those that were working and can watch the streams. Of course, my friends. Anything that I do goes to my VIPs first and then to the common people. So yesterday's daily candle, big ass bullish breaking candle above that level. So we are good. Now the setup is rolling to the downside. The Philippines is in the fucking house. So yeah, our trade idea, long trade idea is on its way, my friends. And here we go. We have a very nice 647 pip range in our hands that we are fucking going to take advantage of. That's right. Let's go to the hourly chart, and I don't want to miss this. I don't want to miss this, so I'm going to keep an eye on it. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to put on a buy limit here. Hear me out. A buy limit here, with stop losses below these lows. Right, I'm going to risk 1% on this trade, but I am going to be targeting those fucking highs all the way here for a 3-hour trade on a 600 pip move. How do you reckon? You may go, yes, I mean, that's good, Rolando Perez. I didn't, I got stopped out, you know, but it's a good thing that you made some money and I didn't, you know. That's a good thing. I mean, I'm holding on to this gold short trade that I have running at the moment, even if it's in a little bit of that drawdown or whatever, you know. I like it. I dig it. I dig it, dig it, dig it. Right. So I'm going to be placing this order right here, I think. Let's have a clear look at what we are going to do, right? And let's keep on rocking. Damn it! Only 17 people in the show. I mean, people really are not early birds. Listen, mate, I can't tell you what to do. Are you a VIP? If you're a VIP, I mean, just decide by yourself. I can't tell you what to do. I mean, I'm not licensed to give financial advice. What I can tell you, mate, what I can tell you is that right now our price is drawing down on me a little bit for about 14 pips. So it's up to you. Yeah, it's up to you, right? So what was it? GBP Japanese yen. All right, so let me go and get. I'm gonna take off my hoodie, and I have to go off screen because I don't have a shirt on, you know, below. So I'll be right back. I don't have a fucking shirt on. Now I do. Alright, I'm back. I am back without a fucking hoodie. Yeah, I already posted on the VIP group, mate. That's the first thing that I did. I posted my trade on the VIP group and the thought process, Rasman. Don't worry. Now, this trade that I'm talking about is going on the swing trade group. It's not going on the VIP group, it's going on the swing trade group. So heads up to that. Now, I want to pinpoint the area that I want to enter this trade at, right? So stay with me, because, I mean, yes, we do have those October 2014 lows right here, or we have this level right here. So let's talk key pivotal levels in this market. Key pivotal levels in this market, of course, these highs where we saw sellers unable to strike all the buy orders in place here, and buyers took control of this market again, rallying price for about from lows to high. Shit, I forget that is the one. This for about 500 pips. That's amazing, 500 pips. So we want to capitalize on that 200, on that 600 pip move. So what the fuck are we going to do? I don't know. Let's have a look. Now, the first you know, idea is to place some buy limit orders here, right at the previous broken highs. That looks a little bit sane, right? Let's go to a 50-minute chart because I want to dissect this fucking price action, this zone right here. So we do have this imbalance still right here. This little bit of a gap here. If you ask me, little bit of a gap. We have this imbalance here. Is this going to get filled? I don't know. No one knows, right? But it is, however, an imbalance left to be filled. Let's look at some volume here. And I want to pinpoint some demand areas that haven't been tagged yet. So this is done. I reckon this is probably not hasn't been tagged yet. Let's have a look. Yeah, it has. And this could in fact probably be the one. Yeah, I mean, to be completely and utterly honest, this is looking eerie for shorts a ton. So let's have a clear look of what I'm doing here. I'm going to explain to you step by step. If you have a questions, just go ahead. Check your Dell trade ineligibility. Really? That's a load of bullshit. Must be a Trojan. I mean, it has been mitigated. That's the thing. This demand area has been mitigated already. And already mitigated area of demands have very, very, very low probabilities of being remitigated. I mean, if you understand what I'm saying. Let's go to the very low time frame, 7-minute chart. I want to pinpoint those zones, right? I want to dissect this price action, right? This imbalance is very clear for you and me, right? For everybody. Yeah, let's have a fucking look at this. So here, oh yes, there we go. Here's the one. Yep, here's one unmitigated zone. Here's the unmitigated area of demand that I'm talking about, guys. Unfucking mitigated. So I am going to the 50-minute chart again, and I am smelling like a rose that somebody gave me. That's a great song. Yes, that's unmitigated. Let's grab some fibs. Actually, should be from here. Yep, clear one. So I'm going to place those buy limits for the swing trading group. My friends. Let's have a look at the GBP Yen on the lower time frames. Yeah, it looks like it. GBP USD. Oh, we might have some very good F1 strategy setups. We do have one. I'm gonna take one in a few on the US dollar Canadian dollar pullback F1 strategy setup. Oof, this looks beautiful. This is a thing of beauty. We're going to take that in a while. We're going to take a few trades today, mate. So don't go anywhere. All right, so for the swing trading group, I'm gonna be taking this. I'm going to take this one. Now, the risk to reward ratio is not the best one that I've seen, but my friends, as long as we tag this demand area. Right, let me grab my crosshair tool so I can pinpoint the exact stop loss positioning. There you go. And my first targets where I'll be taking about 75% off all the way at the 174.90 for a 3.15 R. Right, so I am taking this right now. So if you'll excuse me, I'll do just that. Market watch. This is only for the VIP swing trading group. Now, If you want to be part of the VIP swing trading group, I have two 25 discount coupons available right now, and the codes are Showtime or Show25. This Show25, 25% discount to any VIP group. As a matter of fact, only the first two people that use that one are going to get the discount. And if you go and get the discount, why don't you come back? Because I'm gonna give away more stuff, and we are going to get a ton of fun trading all of the setups that I'm looking at. So that's Show25, 25% discount for anybody that wants to subscribe to any VIP group, right? This is only for the monthly subscription. Show25 gives you a 25% discount, valid only today, and only for the first two people. Let's do this. So I'm gonna place this order, right? This is going to the string trade group only, right? And yeah, I'm sorry about that, but this is a swing trade, however, and I'm not gonna. Yeah. So this is on the 15-minute chart, right? I think 10 players have 15 minutes. So basically, I am targeting to enter this area of demand at the 67. Remember that CFDs 67.30 should be good. Good. 67.30. Yes. So how much is this? This is about this is a 200 pip stop loss. Yes, it's a swing trade. That's why the 175 is only my first target. Before I let you. So new order. Let's do this. New order. Trading new order. Right, so it's 200.02. Let's have a look at this. Buy a limit at the 167.30. 167.30. Stop loss at the 164.95. 95 and 175. 174.90 is my target. TP1 174.90. Right? A place. Yes, that's good. That is good. And if the price doesn't get here and starts to go up and break on this flag, I am going to move my my orders accordingly. And right. Where are you? Yeah, so that is a 1, 2, 2 point, what? 3. I'm gonna have to use the calculator for this one. I'm sorry. Calculadora. So that's a Hondi. That's a 3.3 for to target 1. And I am going to be taking out a bunch here. And target 2 should be removed. Parlay. Right, so I'm sending this to my VIPs on the string trading group. So heads up. New string VIP trade. VIP string trade. I don't know. GBP, Japanese yen. It is a buy limit at the 167.30. 167.30 with a stop loss at the 164.95 and TP1 for 600 pips. That's a shit ton of pips. 174.90. TP2 open. Whoa, risk 1% as always. Boom. Right. So here we go. I'm going to record the video for my VIPs. If you have any questions, just go ahead and post it on the chat. You shorted the Aussie USD at, well, good luck for it with that, mate. Good fucking luck with that. Hold on. All right, so I'm going to record the video for my VIPs, and we are going to go after that to look at another market to trade. Very good. We got that USD CAD, gold. It's in a little bit of the drawdown. Doesn't matter. That's looking good in my opinion. All right, I'm going to record this very quickly. Just pay attention to what I'm saying. If you have any questions, just post it on the chat. Be more than happy to respond. Yeah, hello traders. How are you? Let's talk about this new swing trade that I have my eyes on. It's on the GBP, Japanese yen. Right, first of all, let's go to the 4-day chart. It is the swing trade. What I'm looking at is the breakout of this first area, the 168. And my first targets are the next key pivotal level at the 174.90. Right now, if we go to the daily chart, right here, what I'm digging about this setup and what I was waiting for was this: a clear break and close above this first key pivotal level, which was capping the upside in this market. Now that we have a clear breakout, I am going to enter on a pullback towards that unmitigated area of demand. This is a short-term area of demand, unmitigated short-term area of demand that I am targeting for my entry. Now, my stop losses are all, as always, below the structure of the market low, in this case, because I am in a buy setup. And also because we do have this imbalance unmitigated yet. And if this plays out, of course, price might draw us down a little bit to close that imbalance before the move up. The reason that I am not placing my entry at the imbalance is because we don't know for sure if this demand zone is not going to hold. And if this demand zone doesn't hold, my long idea loses a ton of probability of success. So that's why my entry is right at my demand zone with stop losses below the lows for a 600 and I don't know how many pips to TP1. I'll keep you guys posted on how I manage this trade. Yeah, so yes, that's how my VIPs get our trades. All right, so I'm gonna send this. I'm gonna send this to my VEIPs. Right. So if you want to be part of the VIP team, I mean, there is a 25% discount coupon for the first two person. For the first two persons that use that coupon. Right, so that's the pound yen. I am going to tag it as an open swing. Open swing. Actually, I'm going to use another color. I hate that. This one. This is an open swing position. USD CAD still not there yet. How do you calculate how much of your account to risk? I mean, you mean your position size? Well, you have to have a position size calculator made. If you're a VIP, you get a position size calculator for free. You get this thing right here. For example, yeah, you get this, right? This is the account that tracks all the VIP trades, right? So you get this indicator list, position size calculator, and here you just put the levels you want to buy, your stop loss level, and the percentage that you want to risk. And right here on the top left of your chart, you get the position size. It's that simple. It's that simple, my friends. Right, so let's have a look at, why don't you show me what you're looking at? Do we have new VIPs? Has anyone used the code? If anyone has used the code, welcome to the VIP group. Now, let's have a look at what we have going on F1 strategy-wise. Ooh, US dollar Swiss franc looks good. Right. Yeah, this looks good. Good. So this is a swing trade. My gold is an open position too, but you know, in a little bit of a drawdown at the moment, which is fine. Right. So gold. The reason that I'm not too worried about this gold short is because of this. Right now. Gold, I'm actually starting to think about adding, and if I were in half of my risk, I would add here at this area of supply in gold. After the break of the structure, price cut back to that area of supply. I could be adding, in fact, a new position here at the break of this low. So right here, you know. That would be amazing, but this is actually the other way around. So long, short position. Here, if I were riding this long in gold at half risk, I would do this right now. But sadly, I'm not, so I can't do it, right? Let's go and let's have a look at some oils. Right, so yesterday we were talking about crude oil shorts, but you know, shorting at support is not something that I want to do here. More so because this support zone is just so fucking strong. You know what? I'm gonna go get a glass of water because I don't want any coffee anymore. So yeah, why don't you hang on a little bit while I'm gone. But I'll be back. I'll be right back, and I'm gonna be looking at some equities to trade. Oof, that was amazing. Oh, yeah. Next up, remember I am going to be sharing a nice F1 strategy setup. This is Japanese yen basket, looking at the dollar. Right, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. I am back. All right, so let's have a look at what we have here. F1 strategy wise. Okay. Okay, F1 strategy wise. Let's see what we have here. I'm gonna place this. Yeah, 2R on this trade. Very nice. Very nice. So this is the F1 strategy, guys. The F1 strategy is a pretty simple set of rules that you can apply to any market, right? This is a trend trading strategy. Hold on. So this is a trend trading strategy that focuses on momentum, right? I'm not gonna tell you what we are. Yes, I am Orlando Nova. So I'm not gonna tell you what instruments, what indicators I use, how we use them, etc. But it's pretty simple. The F1 strategy shows you your entry levels, your stop levels, and your targets with the lines in your chart. We use a moving average and an exact moving average to determine the bias on the market. As you can see, it's pretty useful to have this exact moving average because it gives you the exact pullback points in the market. Yeah, we also use divergence with this oscillator that, you're not going to find it unless you buy into the F1 strategy. So we do have this going on. Pretty mild, I would say, divergence, but still divergence nonetheless. Right here. And yeah, we're coming from divergence to today's high. This is pretty interesting, right? So I am going to place this one. This is almost a 2R trade here in this market, and I am going to just do that right now. I'll send this to my VIPs too. I'll send this to the free group too as a free F1 strategy for the day. This is the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. And I'll give you guys the exact levels in a second. Now, we enter on the very short term, on the very short time frames. So my entry will be at the 99.18. Stop loss would be at the 99.50. I'm going to calculate my position size right now. 0.9918, 99.50 I said, I think 0.9950. All right, so yeah, the cool thing about this is that it's a set of rules, like a checklist, right, that you can apply to any market that you want. Pending order, sell stop 99.18, 0.9918, stop loss at the 99.50, 0.9950, and the TP should be at the 98.55, 0.9855. Sheets at 99.18. What happened here? 99, 50, 98. Yes. What? I don't understand. I'm gonna have to do this again. Hold on. Trading. New order 0.15 is the position size on the account that tracks all of the VIP groups or the VIP trade 9918 0.9950 and what did I say, 9855. All right, so this is placed. All right, so I'm sending this to all my VIPs. Do you have any questions, guys, about the F1 strategy? Yes, Novatiam Orlando. Yeah. So the cool thing about the F1 strategy, mates, is that you know it's a set of rules, like a checklist, and you have this plugged on your chart. So every day it's a pretty cool thing because if you already know what you're looking for, right? So you go market from market, right, like this. This can be and will be a new F1 strategy that I will send. This one, and you go like this, so you can actually see the F1 strategy setups in play and the ones that are not in play. So it's pretty easy to use, and if you're looking for a proven strategy with a defined set of rules, then this is for you, most definitely. So the other F1 strategy that might be in play is here on the this should be the aggressive entry on the US dollar versus the Swiss US dollar Japanese yen, but I'm not taking that one. I'm just taking this one right now, view. I'm gonna send this to all other groups. Yeah, right now. I will be sending on to all of the groups right here. So it's on the US dollar versus the Swiss franc, and it is a sell stop. Don't you worry, I will send this to all of the groups. Bold 0.9918 with a stop loss at the 9950, 0.9950, then TP at the 9855, 0.9855. There you go. So this should be boom, and here this is a 1.9 R, which is nice. Risk 1%. Boom, there you go, and there you go to the free group 2. All right, any questions about the F1 strategy? This is how the F1 strategy trades. I mean, do you know if there is a broker for South Africa that I can trade all the cryptos that you post on the stream group? The broker I trade, no, I don't know. I mean, I really don't know. I really don't know. Why don't you send an email to support? So I'm going to invite everybody again to the So I'm about to give away a 40% discount to the F1 strategy, and whoever is interested can have it right now. So if anybody is interested, they can have the F1 strategy. The F1 strategy 40% discount. So I got stopped out on my gold shorts. That's fine. I'm going to look for shorts higher today. Right here. So if this area breaks, most definitely this market is not going to sell off. right? Now let's have a look at the very low time frames to see if we can get another entry short. Shice. Let's see some volume here. Um, yeah, about here. It's a little bit higher actually. It's a little bit higher. So these people are about to get fooked. I am going to place a half risk sell limit here on gold with stop losses above the highs, half risk, and targets at the very lows of the move. Targets at these lows right here for a 4.3 R. And yeah, that'll be it for me trying to short this market. Yes, very nice. I'm gonna place this order in a bit. Just looking at the F1 strategy. Hello everybody that just joined us. I am about to give a 40% discount to the F1 strategy. Just a little rundown on what the F1 strategy really is. The F1 strategy is just a defined set of rules, mate. It's a defined set of rules that tries to trade the same setup every single day. And these rules can be applied to any fucking market, right? They can be applied to any fucking market. And the cool thing is that you get this on your charts, right? You get this exact setup on your charts. You know what you are looking for. So when you wake up and you go to the chart, you go here, and you just go through your markets, right? And because you know what you're looking for, you know which markets are hot for the F1 setups and which markets are not so fucking hot for the S1 setups, right? And that's sometimes, some days you're going to get 3-4 setups. Some days you're not going to get any setup. But that's a good thing because you only want to trade optimal plays, right? And because this is a trend following strategy, you don't want to play or you don't want to trade, choppy markets that are in a range. And that's the other cool thing about the F1 strategy, that it takes out completely off your radar markets that are ranging. So if you are interested in a defined set of rules that people are using to pass funding challenges, just have a look at what people have to say about the F1 strategy, right? I started with the F1 strategy, I think, about a month ago. Initially it was a bit difficult, but I'm on a good way now, also the help of Orlando, etc. Because not only it's a one-time, it is a one-time payment, but you get access to the F1 strategy chat. It is a chat, you can chat with me here, and this is a lifetime access. So if you want the F1 strategy, mates, there is a 40% discount coupon for the first people, or for the first person that takes it. The coupon is F140, right? And if you want the F1 strategy, this is the link where you can get it, F140, and here is the link. So I passed the funding challenge in 3 days using the F1 strategy alone. You can watch this video. It's no bullshit. I show you the inside of the funding challenge. And you can watch also the welcome to the F1 strategy. You get lifetime access to all of the lessons. And you know what? The lessons are ever evolving. I keep making or recording new lessons. For example, this is a new lesson that I'm about to record. This is another setup. This is a pullback setup on the F1 strategy. If this is what you want, that's the link. That's the discount code. 40% discount, unheard of. And let's move on. Oh yeah, I was thirsty. All right, so gold. I'm going to look for those shorts in gold, on an aggressive setup, an aggressive entry with sell limits. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. USD CAD. Yeah, I was looking at USD CAD too for short, mate, but you know what? Not anymore. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. So after that big ass trade here, this market just sold off. The levels, the key levels in this market, let's go higher to the 45-minute chart or so. The key levels in this market are very much still the same, if you notice this, right? Boom, key levels holding, key levels holding, key levels here, etc. So, most definitely looking for shorts in this market, mates. Most definitely looking for shorts, 3-minute chart. But yeah, I am not. I don't know. I don't know. I don't have a trade in this market. If I'm looking at the 50-minute chart, to be completely honest with you, after this rejection, the break of this last key level, it looks. It looks kind of a market that is going to sell off. But if you look at the lower time frame, 5-minute chart or so, this little bit of price action, I'm just not convinced. Right. So let's move on. Gold. Yes. I was looking at this level in gold right here at this supply zone in gold for another try at gold short, and this is the zone that I'm going to be looking for those. Yep, this is the zone I'm looking for shorts in gold. I'm going to be placing this order again on the VIP group right now. Yep. Let's have a look at the higher time frames just to confirm that we are looking for a Z right level, a Z right level. Yeah, it looks very good. Yep. Right, so I'm going to place that with a half risk, right? Targeting the lows of the moves, This is a higher time frame demand zone. So this is going to be my trade, my short in gold with half risk, right? Let's move on from the one that stopped me out earlier. It's fine. And let's move on to this new setup. So, I shall be entering around the 1658.70. I'm just calculating my position size. As always, with half risk, I'm going to risk 0.5%. 1658. What did I say? 1658. What? 70. And stop losses above the highs. 1661. What? Yeah, 1661. 80 or so. Yes, about here. 1661. 40. Targeting the 1661.40. So it's here. Now it's a 3.6R, 3.6R or so. Yep. So this is my entry. Let's have a look. I mean, let's wait and see what happens, right? The really aggressive move should be placing my stop loss here above the area of supply, but I'm not gonna do that. So, indicate no. New order, right? Sell limit. This is a sell limit, guys. 1658, 16 58.70. Now stop loss at the 1661.40. 40 and TP at the 1649.50. 1649.30. 49.30. Place. So that's a pretty intense shit. I overcalculated my position size. So yes, this is too big. I said I was going to reach 0.5%, and I forgot to look at my position size. So that's place. Sell limit. Right, boom. That's better. All right, so that's a 3.5R or so. Let me send this to my VIPs. So anybody that is interested in the F1 strategy, you can still get that with the 40% discount coupon. Ooh. I'm just sending this to my VIP. All right, sell limit above the high. So let's see if it gets trappy. 1658.70. And stop loss at 1661.40 and a TP at what did I say? 1649.30 for a 3.5R. No, risk 0.5%. Right, so I'm going to record the video for the VIPs, right? So hold on. Any questions about anything, guys? I'm here to answer the question. Dubai in the house. Hi. I already entered gold at 1655.50. Oh, yeah, it's moving fast. But that's not, that's not my level. If gold doesn't hit my short level, I'm fine with not taking the trade, you know. I'm okay, mommy. Let's look at some more markets. The pound, yen. Yep. Yeah. All right, so let's move on. My stop loss. Well, my stop loss in gold, mate, is at the top of the Z move. right here at the top of the move. So my stop loss is just about at the top of the move. So my entry is about the top of the my stop loss is about the top of the move. Now, if if price doesn't get to my entry zone right here, I'm fine with not taking the trade. Now let's move on. Okay. Any questions about anything at all? Moving on to look for some U.S. equities markets. Now, I do have another swing trade that I am about to place on this market. Now, if you were with me yesterday, you already know that my preferred entry area was the 35.50 zone in the S&P 500 long. Right? I'm sorry, let me just record that trade video for my VIPs. Yeah. The time frame that I mostly use for entry is the 5-minute chart and the 50-minute chart, right? I'm gonna go through that question a little just after I record this video, mate, because it's quite interesting. Because normally before I use the higher time frames as entries, etc. No, not. Right. So, hello traders, how are you? Let's have a look at this possible gold short that I have going on. After I got stopped out on my first try gold, on my first try shorting gold today, I am looking at another zone for these shorts. Now, right now we saw gold reject the 1657 level, but this is not my preferred entry for this new gold short idea. Now, this is the 3-minute chart, mates, and this is what I'm looking at the moment. I'm looking at this area of supply. Let me just get rid of all of these, levels right here. Boom. So this is my preferred zone, and as you can see, gold is rejecting what seems to be the lows of or the previous highs. Right now, the reason that I'm looking at this zone is because this is the supply zone that created the break or the this move for about what is it, for about 96 pips or so, right? This is the zone that created that move, and right now we are seeing just buy side liquidity being built here, which means that if this buy side liquidity gets taken out, we probably be tagged in our short position before we see the real move to the downside. Now, this is by no means given, right? And this is an aggressive entry, so that's why I'm using only half risk on my trade. But this is looking very good, more so because this is a key pivotal level, the 1659. The 1659 is a key pivotal level in historic price actions on the higher time frames. All right. Right, so let me just send this to my VIPs. Oh, this is not the one. Hold on. Did I record it? Yes. So this is everything that my VIPs you get with every single trade. Yeah, with every single trade, they get the setup, they get the thought process, and the reason they do that, I mean, they get everything is because we don't want them. I mean, we don't want VIPs just following blindly signals, right? If they watch the video, if you're a VIP and you get the signal and you watch the video and this doesn't make sense to you, then you can choose not to follow the trade, right? So we do have one 25% discount code. Yeah, and it's this is a discount code. 25% discount code for the VIP groups. Any VIP groups are the Forex VIP groups, the Crypto VIP group, or the Swing Trading VIP group on the monthly subscription only. 25% discount. One coupon left to the first person that subscribes now. I'm gonna give you the link. Here's the link. Here's the link for the Forex signals. 25% discount code. So this is an active. Let's have a look. U.S. oil. Right, so let's move on. Any questions, guys? Any markets that you're looking at? I don't know. Ooh, I'm thirsty. I think I'm gonna go get a glass of water. Any markets that you're looking at? I'm more than happy to help. I'm 0 for 1 today. I got stopped out on my first trade of the day. I mean, which is fine, right? Which is absolutely fine. Well, let's see if I get triggered here. Short gold. This is all right, so let's move on. Has anyone used that 25% coupon? I think one person used it before. We only had 2 coupons, but now I don't know if someone else has used it. Right? Now I'm gonna keep this show on for a while. Maybe we can listen to some music if nothing goes, if you don't have any questions. But let's go through some markets. This is an F1 strategy setup. Let's have a look at that US dollar Japanese yen, because goddamn, this looks like a nice reversal, right? I used to trade reversals back in the day. I don't anymore, but why don't we fucking look at this, right? Because I've been looking at this market for a while. Let's start with the daily. I'm gonna go old school on this shit, right? Let's go to the weekly chart. So let's go to the 2-week chart. Oh, much better. So Here's the high. Oh, mama. So here is a nice key pivotal level in historic price action. Just have a fucking look at this. You know what? I'm gonna go thicker. Yep, here it is. That's it. This is the key level in historic price action. Oh, we are way above that level, mates. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We are fucking way above that level. And that is a good fucking thing, you know. That is a good fucking thing, because if we are way above that level, we might get the pullback towards this previous broken level. Just have a look at that volatility around that level. There were a ton of sell orders here that got fucked. Now, let's go again to the couple of week chart. 3 week chart or so, I don't know. Yeah, 3 week chart is fine. Oh, shit. So, we do have this high too, which is another key pivotal level in historic price action. You agree with me, right? I hope you agree with me. Oh, look at this. Hourly chart. Oh boy. This is looking better and better and better and better and fucking better. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have the gold chart here on my other screen, just to look if we get triggered in our shorts. So let me. I need to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back with a new VIP trade for you guys. With a new fucking VIP trade. So, in the meantime, you know, go grab a cup of coffee. I'm gonna be here for a while. You know. I'm gonna be back here for I'll be here for a while. This is looking fantastic as a reversal. It'll yield a very nice R, in my opinion. And when we get that reversal, yeah, it's gonna be fast. Just a second, guys. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna get. I'm gonna go get some water, and I'll place that order myself. Yeah. This might be a Japanese yen-driven trade. I don't know. We're going to dissect this market in a while. I'll be right back. So I'm back. I am back, giving away some free shit. Let's have a look at the Japanese yen, right? So this is the Japanese yen. I'm sorry, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. I want to compare to the yen basket. Or to the futures, right? That's fine. Right. Now, if we look at the Japanese yen futures, now, this is moving pretty similarly, right? Moving pretty similarly, of course. Of course. Now, what I'm doing here. So let me have a look at the yen. So the pound yen is dropping as we speak. This is quite interesting. The pound yen is dropping as we speak, and you know, I have that swing trade running, not running, but looking for that entry, and the pound yen is dropping as we speak. Let's have a look at some other Japanese yen. Dropping, and what's going on with the Japanese yen, my friends? Yeah, it's right, it's catching a bid. Boom. All right, welcome to that person who just joined the F1 strategy, my friends. Welcome already. The F1 strategy 40% discount coupon has been used. So the Japanese yen is a kind of a catching a bid, right? Uh, all right. So what I was talking about, I don't remember what I was talking about. Yeah, the Japanese yen. Just let me remind everybody that I'm still live. Let's have a look at gold. I really want to get filled on this gold short rates. And it's looking good. It's looking good. Good for a village. Right. Let me. Hold on. Right, so we are now right, so yeah, let me just remind everybody that we are still live and about to place a nice trade, a reversal on the US dollar Japanese yen. So why don't we do that? Welcome to the person that used the 40% discount code for the F1 strategy. I'm sorry, no more discount code for the F1 strategy. Maybe I'll give away one more, but just maybe. You have to tune in. You know, I would love to. Yeah. Right. Uh-huh. So I'm going to do that just now. Just give me a second, guys. I have a ton of on my plate at the moment. But I'll be right with you. I'm still live. And about to what? Explain. Right. Go through. I'm sorry. Like I said, I have a ton on my mind, on my plate at the moment. Go through. Right. We still have one. But we still have one code. We still have one code, 125% code, discount code for the VIP. The code is SHOW25. If you want a 25% discount code for the VIP, the swing trade group or the crypto group, the code is SHOW25. You get a 25% discount on the monthly only. Right, so I'm inviting everybody because this US dollar Japanese yen short might be interesting. Might be quite fucking interesting. All right, I'm gonna wait 2 minutes for more people to join. In the meantime, the F1 strategy is still available to you. And this is the cool thing about the F1 strategy, mates, is that if a price breaks with your stop loss level, you are not going to lose money because you didn't get triggered, right? So that's the cool thing. We are going to go through that US dollar Japanese yen right now. Let me just tag it. USD Japanese yen. Ugh, I don't know. Yeah. So the US dollar Japanese yen. Quite interesting move. All right. So the US dollar Japanese yen, here it is. It is, this level should be the 149.15. All right, here it is, 149.15. So, my thought process on the US dollar Japanese yen. Of course, that the Japanese yen is very, very. My gold trades are killers, so don't take them. Why would you follow something that you don't believe in? If you don't, have a little thought process yourself, mate. If you think that my gold trades are killer, just don't fucking follow them. What's wrong with you? What the fuck, right? So with this one I'm looking at, this is the 3-week chart. And I'm looking at these two key levels, right, in historic price action. Of course, that the Japanese yen is very bearish at the moment, but I'm just looking at key levels in this market, not looking at fundamentals behind the moves, just looking at key levels. And right now price action is trapping inside of those two key levels. 15-minute chart, my friends. And what we have here, it might be a reversal pattern in our hands. So I'm going to draw a set pattern. I'm going to draw a set pattern. Boom, boom. Now, here it is. So we might, in fact, get a pullback. I'm sorry, I don't have any more anti-allergic medicine here. I'm sorry. So we might get a move towards this to retest this this level right here before the move down. But what I'm looking at is a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reversal here, boom, towards this level. So this will yield possibly short position at the break of course, of the pattern or the immediate structure in this market, this will yield approximately a 3.7 R. Right, so this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at, right? This is a setup that I used to trade back in the day, right? This is a setup that I used to trade back in the day, and I stopped trading. I don't know why. I don't know why I stopped trading. All right, so it's not only, it's not only about key levels in the market. It's not only about possible reversal patterns in the market. It's also about Fibonacci key levels. I mean, not key levels, but key, yeah. Let me show you. So we must be at the 161.8. Must. If not, this is not going to work. 261.8. 213. I'm sorry. We are at the 213 of the previous move, right here. 213. So this is the first good step. We are at the 213, and we should be targeting the 261.8 or the 361.8, I don't remember, of the pattern. The 261.8 of the pattern or the 213 of the pattern, 261.8. I mean, like I said, it's been a while, but 261, 261.8. 261.8 or so, 213. Let's call it 213, 261.8. So yeah, it's my targets might be a little bit overextended, but that's cool. That's cool because I'm planning to actually just trade the breakout or the reversal here on a very, very bullish market. As you can see, this market from the lows of this range. After this bear trap, it has moved to the upside about 553. Let's call it 560 pips, right? 560 pips without really a pullback, right? Without really a pullback. Let's go to the hourly, right? And the last time that this market really pulled back was here, and it was after a 900 pip move from the very lows, but a 550 pip move from the very highs, and it pulled back exactly that 550 pips. I'm not going to say that it's going to happen again, but at the moment, this is what I'm looking at or looking for. Now, having said that, my friends, this is very bullish. This market is very bullish, and as you can see, price is extremely bullish, making another new high. So I am going to place a sell stop below the lows of the immediate bullish structure. If price rallies, then I am not going to be tagged in my trades, right? I'm not going to be tagged in my trade, but I'm not going to lose any money because I am never going to go short at market here at the highs. Never again. Just a reminder that we do have one ticket, 125% discount ticket that will give you a 25% discount code for the VIP group, either the VIP, the swing trade group, or the crypto group on the monthly basis. On monthly subscription, 25. The code is SHOW25, and you can get it right here. This is the page. I'm gonna send the page to the chat so anybody that wants it can have it. I mean, the first person that gets it will have it. But yeah, this is my idea. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to play out. But this is the thing, right? If price really breaks with this structure, then the probability of a pullback is quite high, right? So my stop loss is going to be above the 1425 or so, like this. This giving me a 3.3 R, right, to these lows or the bottom of the range that I'm looking to trade. This is basically this was a news event. I remember. Yeah, must have been a news event. Must have been. I mean that's such a strong move in the market. Must have been CPI data or something like that. Yeah. So basically that's it. Pound yen. I'm still waiting for that pullback on the pound yen. Yeah, I'm waiting for that move on gold. Seems like it's going to happen. And now if I get triggered in my gold shorts, then I'm going to be targeting the very very lows because of the range, because of this range right here, right? Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Crude oil. Now, remember that I have been looking for possible crude oil shorts, but I hate trading or shorting as support. This is just, I'm pretty much gambling. I will, however, be looking for shorts if we get that pullback towards this level right here, because we have a big imbalance in futures right here, big gap in futures that I reckon might be getting filled. So heads up to that. Now I'm gonna place that. I'm going to place that US dollar Japanese yen. I don't know if it's going to play out. I'm just saying that. If it does, I want to be prepared, right? If it does, I want to be prepared, and because and I'm not going to take it at full risk because of how strong this market is, right? Just don't. And if price breaks with the structure, right, I am going to delete my order. It's as simple as that. So let me just place this and send it to my VIPs. And if you're not a VIP, it's fine. US dollar Japanese yen. Yeah. Let's go to the very short time frames. This is a reversal on a very strong market. So please, if you are not a fucking VIP, don't try to trade this on your own. You better take the 25% discount. Where's my entry? So my entry is here. 148.73, 148.73 of 149.30. Right. So let me just calculate my position size. 148. You know what? I could be a little bit more aggressive and put my entry here, but I hate to, in this case, right, because it's a reversal, I can't be, and because it's such a strong market because of how weak the Japanese yen is, trading inside of that pattern is just a losing proposition. So I'm putting my stop losses, my sell stops, below these lows, because if price gets here, as you can see, boom, it breaks with the pattern. That's as simple as it gets. So 148.73. I am going to be risking so that's around a 50 piper. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. Actually, it's looking very bullish. I'm just gonna wait for before I place this trade. I'm gonna or this order. I am going to wait. Yeah, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait because if price breaks with this pattern, I'm not interested anymore in taking that ATA raid. All right. Any questions? And let's move on. Yeah, look at that. Pound. The pound. USD CAD. Yes, USD CAD. See? I mean, shorts. I mean, this was clearly a very, very, very bearish trap. Now, you know what? I would be interested in going long in this market. Fuck yeah. Let's have a look. You know what? This might be the exact same pattern that I traded here. Just have a look at this. Oh my god, this is the same fucking thing. Right, just have a look at this. Nah, price broke with this level. And when I saw this opportunity, I was looking at price action here, right? And there were two levels in play, right? And the first one was this, and this dip buy to me was not the optimal level. I was looking at this area of demand. So what happened here is that we got two new higher highs, then, you know, price just fucking every new buyer before the actual move. So if we go back at what's happening now, you know, setups repeat themselves over and over and over. Now look at this, look at this. We got the first high right here. All right, let's just delete this fucking thing. We got the first high here. Boom. What's going on here? I don't know. My monitors. Oh, gold just dipped. It's very possibly that I'm not gonna get filled. Damn it. Well, I'm going to delete that order in gold, that's fine. But look at this. We got the first high right here. Then we got the second high, and this is the same fucking thing. Early buyers here. So where's my deep buy level going to be? I don't know. Let's find it. Let's fucking find it, mates. Let's fucking find it. Right. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but you know what? It might. It might. Yeah, right here. This is going to be my buy level. Oh mama, this is going to be my buy level. So, very, 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 very strong accumulation of buy orders here. Very good. So, same fucking thing happens over and over and over and over, right? Now, and this is what's going on. This is what's going on, right? Price broke to the upside. Cool. Price broke to the upside. Then we got early dip buyers right here. This is sell side liquidity. The same thing that happened earlier, right? Sell side liquidity. This, I mean, when I say sell side liquidity, I mean stop loss order or stop losses for buyers that have bought the dip here. So stop losses might be here, right? And that liquidity might get taken out by this new sellers before we hit that demand area. Boom, for the great move. The great move. So I'm gonna place this order. I'm going to delete my order in gold. Sadly, I didn't get filled. And you know what? I was about to enter at market that short in gold, but yeah, I didn't. So that's fine. Let me just delete that order. That's cool. And sending that to my appears. Well, gold hasn't been my friend. So I'm going to I'm not going to stop trading gold, but I know what I have to do. I'm going to stop trading that 15-minute breakout at the open, because that's the the last two trades in gold have stopped me out. Right, the last two trades in gold have stopped me out. Like who was it? Like Roland said. No, like Mirza said. But those two last trades were, the 50-minute breakout on the 50-minute breakout of the London Open. So that strategy clearly doesn't work in gold, so I'm stopping. I'm not trading it anymore. I was correct on the bias in this market, right? I was correct. It was a short trade, but trade. I mean, I was trapped, and I just realized that this 50-minute breakout at the London Open really doesn't work in this market. So that's fine. I'm not gonna stop trading it. Now, this one, my friends, I really like. This I really like. This I super dig. Right, so this is going to be my trade. Long position here at the 139. I don't know, something like this. Stop loss, something like this, and target here. Now, let me go to the 50-minute chart because this is the targets, or why are these targets there? Well, clearly, whoa! Look at the U.S. dollar, Japanese fucking yen. Man, I can't believe I'm gonna miss this. Shit! God damn it! Fuck! Well, but that's so crazy. What's going on? What's going on news-wise? Oh man, I told you! Well, you know what? What the fuck is going on news-wise? I told you. Let's go for... You know what? I'm going to turn on my news terminal. You know. Shit. Right. USD CAD. I mean, hopefully I didn't miss this. No, that's fine. I mean, look at all this. Oh, I didn't get failed. Oh, and if this happens, I'm going to be fucking pissed too. I didn't get filled wrong. I am going to be fucking pissed if I didn't get filled on this one. Oh man, for about what, 27 pips? Shit. Well, you know what? Oh. I'm probably not going to get filled long on the pound yen. Sorry. Let me just open my news terminal because I don't know what happened here. Wait for me. Just a second. All right. So, but you know what? I mean, this already created. I mean, no, this is just a liquidity grab. In hindsight, I should have put my stop loss by buy order here. But no, why would I? No, why would I trade outside of my rules? That's fucking crazy. Let's have a look. Log in. Yeah. I don't even know my password for my news terminal. Alright, so log in. Page.
Player refreshed.
The reason that I turned off my camera is because you can see my laptop. And, oh no, that's not the thing. This is the one. You can see my laptop. So, USD yen falls 0.5%. Yes, I know. Nothing going on. I mean, there was nothing going on. This was pure manipulation. So I am going to be deleting, or I am going to delete. This was pure manipulation, mates. My US dollar Swiss franc short, deleting US dollar Swiss franc shorts. This was pure fucking manipulation. Oh, I am going to be so pissed if I don't get triggered on my longs in the GBP yen. You know what? But that's fine. US dollar Swiss franc. US dollar Japanese yen. You know what? We missed here. We missed out on how much? On a good fucking profit. I bet you we did. On 60 pippers, which is fucking fine. US dollar, Swiss franc, not anymore, but I am looking at that. Not anymore. I'm not trading this anymore. US dollar, Canadian dollar. This one I'm about to trade. So let's move. Let's move from this. Let's move again back to what we can profit from. That will be a nice formation of institutional candle. That's right, Christina. What's happening with your oil trade? Nothing. We don't have an oil trade on, mate. It hasn't been triggered. The order hasn't been triggered. So, Christina is absolutely right. What a manipulation here. And I will be fucking pissed if I don't get I don't get triggered short here long in my pound yen. For 20 pips, I mean, come on. If you're going to manipulate the markets, manipulate them better, right? Shit. So US dollar, Canadian dollar, this is my trade idea. Same fucking thing that happened here on key levels, right? Just look at this. This is the same thing that happened earlier, right? This is the same thing that happened here. We got that move to the upside, then that pullback, then the early buyers got fucked, then I got in for that big move. And here is what's going on. We got that first move, then we are looking at early buyers, and then I am looking at early buyers getting fucked before I get in. That's easy as that. And now I am going to be targeting the next key level here. About here. Yes, exactly there. That's giving me a 6.35 R on this trade. Yep. I am loving this. I am really loving this. Yeah, really loving this. So this is going to be my trade, mates. Yeah. I am going to place that right now. In that case, would you go short, then go long on the turn? No. What? I don't know. Listen, I mean, we only have one pending order in oil, and we are not going to, flip as much. So UK sales 2.5 billion of bonds. What do we have here on the calendar? I mean, we don't have much on the calendar, right, today. Yeah. I mean, this is the most important thing. Let's keep on the news feed, because this manipulation in the yen is quite the move. So, yep. I mean, the other thing that I'm looking at, and might be a little bit wrong on. I mean, no, I'm not wrong. Yeah, I might be. Which one is the one? Which one is the fucking one that I want to trade? Which one is the one? I'm telling you that we got. I'm gonna trade this one. Yeah. Just have a look at fibs. And I don't even know if this is the top of the move, right? So this fib is really not important. This fib is really not important. So I'm gonna wait and see if this is the top of the move or not. But this is the US dollar Canadian dollar that I just tagged in as hot because of that. Let's have a look at the pound. I mean, I'm gonna be fucking pissed if I don't get. I didn't get triggered on this one. Oh man, such a manipulative move, right? Such a fucking manipulative move. And then but the thing is that we just saw manipulation of the markets live on the show. Really? Oh, hold on. I need to tell my delete USD Swiss franc sell stops. I'm gonna look for another F1 strategy for you guys trade, and I am going to look for that too. Boom. All right. Such a manipulative move, right? Have you ever seen that? Have you ever seen manipulation in play? Right, 100. I mean, it wasn't that big, right? 120, 116 pips. But anyways, yeah, very manipulative. And that, my friends, is how you missed on a trade. Yeah, that's how you missed on a trade. I mean, everything was perfectly planned. Everything was perfectly planned. Even the manipulation ahead, right? I'm joking. But yeah, I just missed my entry. And not even, I didn't even get triggered on a high volatility, because the broker that we use quite all right, and spreads don't get as big as on other brokers when it gets really, really volatile. So right now I'm looking for another one. I'm just waiting for this US dollar, Canadian dollar. It's looking very good. What do you guys think? What about DJ sell stop 167.30? I'm not gonna sell. I'm not gonna go short. I'm not canceling, mate. I'm not canceling my orders in DJ, but I am definitely not going to go short after watching what happened on the Japanese yen. Such a manipulative move, these fuckers. Just look at this candle. Shites. Just look at this candle. Right to supply. Right to fucking supply. Right to fucking supply. You know what? No, there's no way that I could have extrapolated this supply zone to my demand zone in the volume. Yeah, just right supply to the pound yen. So let's move on that. Now I know that I deleted my sell limits in gold, but I am still looking for that for that supply. For that supply to get hit. Maybe it already did. I just saw a little bit of a candle that might have hit it. Yeah, it already got. I should have seen that first before. Yeah, it already had been mitigated. Let me show you. So that was a mistake on my part. That was a mistake on my part. Let me show you the mistake that I made, guys. This is the 2-minute chart in gold, and I was looking at this because I was looking at quite quickly, right? I missed this mitigation right here. So this supply zone was already being mitigated, had already been mitigated. So the pullback or the supply zone that I should have been looking for was the next one on that pullback, which should have been this one right here. I'm sorry, something like this right there. But you know what, it's fine. Sometimes you miss a trade, sometimes you get it, and as you can see, that trade hit profits or targets very quickly. But let's wait and see what happens with this market. Yeah, I wasn't about to take a long position here either, that was out of the question. Oops, my camera went off. What happened with my camera? I don't know what happened with my camera. Oh. Well, I don't have any battery on? And how is that possible if I'm logged? I mean, I am connected to my computer. There's some crazy shit going on here. Just a second, guys. I don't know if I am going. You know what? I'll just charge my phone. I mean, I use my iPhone as a camera, so I'm gonna charge it for a little bit and then replug. All right, let's find. Let's look for some more setups. Damn it! I have been live for 2 hours, and I am about to give a 50% discount code for the VIP group. But first, let me tell everybody. Two. All right. 2, comma. Right. So join my live show. Right, so let me just invite everybody. Boom. I'm gonna be mad if I don't get triggered on my long pound yen. That's fine. That is fine. We have that imbalance yet to be filled on lower, so that might be a magnet. So I do have 50% discount codes for the VIP USD CAD. Probably the USD CAD will hit that 137.68 before the move down. If we hit the 160, if we hit that level, which is this previous key level right here, if we hit that previous key level, yeah, we might get a good short in play too. Now let's have a look at the USD Japanese, and this is no go. I'm sorry, I got the hiccups. This is no go, and this market sucks. But let's move on. Let's move on. Hi there, how are you, Abbas Ramazonov? All right, 15-minute chart. So I'm gonna be looking for more trades. So Olympio had a Japanese yen long trade, and he decided to close that trade at around 90 pip, 85 pip profit, and that was a crazy ass good decision before that manipulative move. So congratulations to him and to all VIPs that got in on that trade. So this is the Euro Aussie. You know what? Why don't we scan the F1 strategy? So this is the US dollar Swiss franc that I had going on. Now I don't like it. I still like it on this divergence right here. What I don't like is the spike high.
Player refreshing.
Oh boy, hold on. Notifications off. What I don't like. Yes, I still have that 50% discount code. What? I still have a code, 25% discount code. If you want it, it's the code is show25. So what I don't like about this is that price spiked above my stop loss area, and that makes it for a lower R trade, you know, on a pullback F1 strategy setup. Now this is so manipulative. GBP Japanese, the US dollar. No, there's no F1 in play. No F1 in play. Yes, Euro USD. There is one. There is an F1 in play on the Euro USD. And I'm about to place it. Now, there's two ways to think about this, right? The F1 strategy, as you know, it's a trend following strategy that trades momentum on breakouts, and what we are looking here is a nice divertive move towards this low, actually towards this low on the Euro US dollar, right? So divergence, as you might notice here, this is quite a divergence play. So this strategy is quite good, right? And I am going to give another 40% discount because someone already used it to the F1 strategy. I'm going to give another 40% discount to the F1 strategy, my friends, if you want it. So what the strategy does, mates, is it trades momentum, right? It trades. It's a trend following strategy, and it trades momentum, right? Now, right now we might have a break to the upside. So there's two ways of seeing this, and I am going to take the more aggressive entry on this F1 strategy break right here to my targets, and the targets are always the green lines on your charts. So maybe we will get village on this. This is even a much better divergence. Right. So I'm going to be placing this trade right now, my friends. If you are interested in a step-by-step strategy, proven strategy that you can apply to any given market, right? And it's as simple as that. You are going to get everything you need to put on your charts to get them like this. So on your chart, you're going to get your stop loss levels, your entry levels, and your target levels. And you are going to have lifetime access for one-time payment only to my F1 strategy chat room. This is a chat room where you can chat with me and all other F1 strategy traders every single fucking day about F1 strategy setups. People are loving the F1 strategy, as you can see here on the Trustpilot reviews, and they are passing funding challenges. I passed the funding challenges using the funding challenge using the F1 strategy in 3 fucking days. So there you go. This is quite good. It took me a year to develop, but it's quite strong if you use it. If you use it correctly, and if you have discipline. Now, because this is an aggressive entry using the F1 strategy, I am only going to use 0.5% risk. Right? This is good. This is looking phenomenal. Actually, I'm going to use 0.75 because of, this little flaggy flugy. All right, let's hurry the fuck up before we miss the boat. Euro US dollar on an F1 strategy aggressive setup. Let's have a look. This is my entry at the 98. I'm just calculating my position size very quickly. 98.61. Stop loss 98.20. Indicator is 98.61. 0.75. 0.9861. I said fail. And 98.20. 20. Okay. Boom. Oh, love it. 0.9 on the account that tracks all our VIP trades. This is a new order. This will be a buy stop. Buy stop on the F1 strategy aggressive. 98.61, 0.9861. Stop loss at 98.20, 0.9820. And my targets are at the 99.40. 0.9940 as the one strategy. Boom. So I am risking about 1% actually, which is fine. And this is a because my targets are here, this is about hold on, 41, this is almost a 2R, 1.9R. Right, so I'm sending this to the free group too because the other F1 strategy, trade, because I canceled the other F1 strategy on the US dollar Swiss franc. So this is on the Euro USD. You'll get it on both groups. A buy stop at the 0.9861, stop loss at the 98.20, 0.9820, and a TP at the 99.40, 0.9940 for a 1.9R, and I'm risking about 0.85% or so. I don't know. Control copy, boom. And I'm sending it to the free group again. Boom. Right, so here you go. That's my trade on the Euro USD. I am just loving this setup on the F1 strategy. Now, if you're looking for a semi-automated strategy that you can trade on any given markets, then the F1 strategy is for you. And you can get a 40% discount if you can get a 40% discount if you use the code F140 to purchase it. And you can, people are using it to get funded. People are loving this strategy. You can go here and purchase it. Now, if you don't want the F1 strategy and you want being able to chat with me every single day about the F1 strategy for live, that's cool. That's cool. But if what you want is VIP signals, then there you go. We have two 50% discount codes coming up for any VIP group. Boom. Now, let me just record the video on the F1 strategy right now. I'm going to send this video also to the free group, so please bear with me. All right, traders, how are you? Welcome to a free F1 strategy setup. Right, the F1 strategy is a semi-automated strategy that trades momentum and breakouts in the on a trend following basis. Right, so this right here is an F1 strategy setup in the Euro USD. It's quite aggressive entry on the F1 strategy. But what I like about is that price did not hit our stop loss level. It did, however, went above the entry level and then pulled back, but is creating what seems to be a flag. So that's why this is an aggro entry on the F1 strategy on a breakout of this flag. Our targets are all the way up to just below the green line targets on the upside. And also what I'm loving about this is the heavy divergence that we have between price and our oscillator. So everything is pointing out, and if you want an the F1 strategy, I'm giving a 40% discount with the F140 code. So that's it. That's the rationale behind this trade. Let's see if we can get in. US dollar, Canadian dollar, hitting that those levels that we talked about earlier. Let's have a look at if we get that reversal, mate. We should in fact be looking at some 161.8 extensions in this move. 161.8 extensions in this move. A little bit overextended, if you ask me. This is a little bit overextended, but anyways. I'm just sending the the thought process video to the groups. Give me a second. And then I will give you the 50% discount code. So don't go anywhere. I'm sorry, I'm just typing. So there's just one code available, one for the F1 strategy. You got it first because you are on my live show, but if it's anybody's game at the moment, whoever grabs it, it's theirs. Right, so there you go, F1 strategy in play, my friends. US dollar, Canadian dollar setup brewing. What else do we have here? This is a hot one. This is a fucking hot setup that we have here. I don't know. I mean, I don't know or I don't know how long this move, if it plays out, is going to take, but most likely I am going to trade it if it plays out. I don't know if it's going to play out, team. I don't know if it's going to play out, but this is most definitely one of the best setups for the day. Now, last time that I traded this setup, which was a couple of days ago, I hunted it and waited all day for it to brew. So be patient. Be patient about it. So anybody wants that 50% discount to our VIP group, and get this kind of trade, the thought process on the trades and our VIP only content, you can get that 50% discount with the code SHOW50. Boom. 2 coupons only for the first for the first two traders that that use it. 2 codes only for the first 2 traders that use it. Show 50. There you go. Well, I've been live for 2 hours and 23 minutes, and I'm gonna keep rocking this live show. All right, it's still looking good. Okay, sliver, platinum, copper. Let's say copper. 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm saying off of metals for the time being. Oof. Now we're talking. Now we're talking in crude. Yep. Now we're talking. Now we're fucking talking in crude oil. So I'm not gonna go short here. I'm not looking for shorts at any time right now. I need a break of this low. Definitely a break of this low. This is the manipulation low. I like to call it manipulation low, whatever you want to call it. This bear trap or whatever. I need a break of this and then a pullback towards that level before I even think about deciding of. I think. Do you have same sessions for crypto and New York opening? We don't have the same sessions for crypto, but I do the New York opening, Christina. Why? Are you liking the sessions? And if you do, please tell me. No? Please do tell me. Come on, baby. Do it. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the EURUSD. I'm sorry. All right. So Ethereum. Let's hunt for some cryptocurrencies, right? Now that Christina has pointed out that she digs crypto. Why don't we have a look at what's going on here in this market? Ethereum and a BTC. Let me just delete this. All right, so, you know what? I'm gonna go make myself a cup of coffee, mates. I will be right back. Yeah. Let me see if that is the code. I'm sorry. Oh, aha, the code is 50 show. Not show 50, 50 show is the code for that 50% discount. Shit, I'm sorry. Yeah, I must have pissed a lot of people with that mistake, but you know, I'm sorry. The code is 50 show, not show 50. I'm sorry. So, yeah. I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee, mates. I'll be right back. Go get yourself a cup of coffee. I'm gonna leave you with some blues music. You know, I'll be 5 minutes the most. Ooh.
Have you heard of Executive Order 14067?
Yeah, just
Most people probably haven't, but it could completely
skip the ads. Oh yeah. I'll be right back. The code is 50 show.
Loving you is wrong. I don't wanna be right. Cold-hearted woman, let's make love and not fight tonight.
All right, I'm back. I'm back, players. All right, let's see if I can plug my camera again. Hold on. I'm gonna have to go dark on this one. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm back. Right. Now, should be working. Should be fucking working. I don't know. Alright. Yes, it's working. So, let me just plug it in. Alright, I'm back with display. Alright, here. That's fine. And my camera is back, so that's awesome. Ooh. How are you? Wow, it's a little bit close. Why is it like this? Flip vertically. Oh, there you go. Boom. So, let's see how that Euro USD is going. I mean, it's still ranging. The Euro USD is still trapped inside of a 30 pip range. We're looking for that breakout after that, not manipulative move, but I'm gonna show you here on the F1 strategy setup. I'm looking for that breakout, after this spike high. Some days, this is the cool thing about, I trade mostly with pending orders, right? And I place my pending orders. I place my pending orders according to the F1 strategy, most of them, and also with setups such as the US dollar Canadian dollar. Ooh, this is super strong. I don't know if we're going to get filled, guys. I don't know. We'll see. I place my pending orders, and most of my pending orders, they don't get triggered, and I delete them. But that's just the way that I trade, that assures me that I don't lose money on not on bad trades, but on the lower probability setups. No, not lower probability setups, but in plays that didn't go in my direction. That's just it. Cool. So yeah, let's have a look at the news. Japan officials echo package of about 30 trillion yen. UAE's commitment to increase our production capacity is there. So this is very bearish for crude. What just happened here? Very bearish, very bearish for crude. So let's have a look at crude. Yeah, let's have a look at crude. This move is a little bit overextended in my opinion. We are going to see a pullback. And if it pulls back towards this level, it pretty much is going to eat this liquidity and tax us in. So it's only how much? It's only from the highs. It's only about 76 pips. But now that we got those big highs, let's see where that 79 is. Oh boy, we might be good actually. Oh mama, still not that good. But you know what? It's in between that zone that I dig. It's in between that zone that I dig, mates. So my entry is between that zone that I dig, between the 761 and 79. Yeah, taking in consideration that this is the high of the move, which is absolutely not given, right? But you know what? Let's try and see. All right, question. First time here, you give lots of value. It's amazing. Thank you, Christina. I appreciate the kind words. And if you allow me, I'm gonna fucking use that comment as a marketing tool. Thank you. How do you give signals for BTC2? And I use KuCoin. Is that okay? Yeah, we do have a crypto. I'm gonna show you. I am going to show you. I'll just use all this as a marketing. Thank you, Christina. If you allow me, right? If you don't want me to use your comment as marketing tool, I'm okay. I will not use it, but I need your permission. So crypto, yes, we do have a crypto VIP group, mate. This is the one I'm gonna show you. I'll show you the crypto VIP fucking group. Now here it is. So this is the crypto VIP group where we get. They trade a ton of crypto. Battle Infinity, Monero. I don't know. I don't trade crypto. Here it is: Solana, Monero, Bitcoin, DeFi. I don't know. Lucky Block. There's a ton of crypto that they trade. If you want in on that group, you can still use that code 50SHOW to get a 50% discount to the crypto group. Just go here and use the code at the checkout. Use that link is also the link for the crypto group. Use that code at the checkout for what? I don't know what I was saying. I lost my train of thought. Shit. Yeah, for to get a 50% discount. Let's move on. I'm pretty hyped about today's show, mates. I've been live for about 2 hours and a half, and I am not tired. Must be this, instant coffee of mine. So the Euro-US dollar still trapped inside of this range as long as price doesn't break my stop loss area, right? I'm good, and I will not delete it. All right. So here we go. Oh. This is very nice. This is very good that after that manipulative move, pricing the Japanese yen is going up. That means that price on the pound yen is going down. That means that I might get triggered all my fucking longs. Woof. Let's keep on keeping on, guys. Let's have a look at the US dollar Japanese yen. This, on the other hand, is fuck you market. This is what I call a fuck you market. I'm not going to touch this anytime soon. So, all right. so the 15-minute chart on the euro US dollar and the pound dollar, a dollar bill, yo. So this is quite good, right? Let's have a look at what's going on here. If you look at what's happening here, we got the character in this market has skipped. Yeah, let's keep going. I mean, if you guys are not tired, I ain't tired either. The character of this market change here, we had the last break of structure to the downside here, and then we got another break of the structure here. Yes, and now, my friends, look at this fucking thing. Now, price has printed a new lower low. No, what is that? A new lower high. Sorry. So I'm still long. I'm still looking for longs, but I'm looking for longs lower. So let's go to a 5-minute chart to find those demand areas that we are interested in. Shit. Let's look for those demand zones that I'm interested in. So let's see a little bit of volume, a little bit of volume, a little bit of volume. See an accumulation of buy orders around these lows. Demand, maybe an accumulation of buy orders earlier here. Actually, yeah. Actually, this is nope. No, this is fine. And let's go even lower, my friends. Let's go even lower because this is the one that I was looking at. This accumulation of buy orders, right? The fuck here. So this is the two zones that I'll be looking for buys on the pound USD. Boom. Now, is price going to get to my zones? I mean, I don't fucking know. No one fucking knows. But actually, you know what? This is not good. Yep, this is the one. I am going to put on some buy limits here. This is just liquidity. Just waiting to get fucked. This is sell side liquidity, my friends. Just waiting to get fucked. I'm gonna show you a little bit. I'm going to tag these lines or these arrows later, right? So, or right now, I'll tag them right now. This is the last break of structure to the downside, right? We can see that after the break of structure, this is the high. Always look for the high of. Always look for the high of for the last move to the downside. In this case, that broke the structure for your change of character in this market, right? So here's where the character of this market changed. Now we have a new break of the structure to the upside. Now the upside in this market is, my friends, the upside in this market is confirmed, right? The upside is confirmed. Now this is liquidity about to get eaten, right? So this is one of my model entries, right? So basically what I'll be doing here is putting on a long position here, a buy stop here with a Jukunju. First target should be here at the high of the move, right? About a 6R or so. But if we look higher, no, actually I'll be taking that. No, you know what? Fuck that. Let's have a look. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, why not? I mean, if I take about 75% of my position here, why wouldn't I just let the rest of it ride for a 12R? Yeah, that's my trade idea. I mean, this is my trade idea. Yeah, this is my trade idea. This looks phenomenal. You know, this looks just phenomenal. It says the coupon does not exist. Well, the coupon is 50 show, man. 50 show. Let me have a look. Let me fucking have a look. It only works for the 1 month subscription, mate. Don't try to use a 40%, a 50% discount code. You know, on a 1 year subscription. It's not going to work. Apply coupon. Coupon usage limit has been reached. Boom. There's absolutely no more 75% coupon available, but I think that we might have a 125% coupon available. Yes, we have one 25% coupon available for you, my friend. Yeah, I mean, everybody used their show 50, but there's one show 25. It's the 25% discount coupon. I mean, the 50% discount coupons have already been used, but we have one 25% discount coupon right now. Let's have a look at the Euro USD. Yeah, still trapped inside of that range, waiting for that breakout, friends. Waiting for that breakout. And I don't know, what do you think about this? This GBP USD. This is looking super good, mate. This is looking phenomenal. Hold on. All right, so what? I mean, I just tried it. You know. Oh, all right. So, yeah, I just tried it. Here. Coupon applied successfully. Show 25. Apply coupon. Coupon usage limit has reached. All right. So, sorry, mate. You were not quick enough. So, I have one last coupon. One last coupon, my friends, but I'll give it in a while. So, let's wait for that US dollar Canadian dollar. Let's wait for that US dollar Canadian dollar. Look at this. I mean, yummy. I'm eating. Right. This is a good one. On the 10-minute chart or so, looking good at pound USD. I'll be placing that one pretty soon, mate. I will be. Yeah. So my idea here, right, is to run this to the highs of the move right here to that supply zone. That's creating the pullback, right? For about a 6 hour or so, taking 75% off of my trade and letting the rest of it ride for its 12 hour. I mean, I hope that, saying I hope, it's super stupid, right? But this is a marathon live session. I will be going, I'm gonna stay live as long as you guys stay with me. Awesome, Christina, thank you. I am going to keep giving away free shit, so stay with me. Well, I have more discount coupons coming up, so stick around. Stick around. Yeah. Apply coupon. Coupon usage has been reached. Thank you. Welcome to everybody. Welcome to all new traders, all new VIP traders. Welcome to the VIP group. I'm very happy. Pretty happy to have you here. Yeah, let's keep rocking this, right? This is patience. This is a game about patience, right? This is a game about patience. You have to wait for the price to hit your levels. Now, about my gold trades, if you are new, the past two, I'm sorry, I had a hiccups. The past 2 or 3 gold trades that, the past 2 or 3 trades that I've traded in gold, have hit stop loss. And that is because what I was doing, I was trading the 15-minute breakout trade at the London Open. And, that didn't work. So I'm going to stop doing that. That's as simple as that. GBP, Japanese yen coming down. Let's have a look. Hopefully. Oh, yes. Come on, baby. I mean, I'm pretty, now that I'm looking at price action itself, I'm pretty happy that I didn't get triggered. But I'll probably move my entry to the week low of this 15-minute candle. No, you just to get sure I get filled on my position. I'll keep you guys updated about that. This is a swing trade. Remember, for the swing trade group only. Euro US dollar, still trapped inside of that range. I'm waiting for that explosive move, right? I'm waiting for that explosive move. Just looking back at the historic price action. Last time it was on a range, boom, we got that. I'm waiting for the exact same fucking thing. I mean, I'm not looking for anything new. I'm just looking for the same things over and over and over. Right, so we do have a ton of liquidity, a sell side liquidity, here and here. Hold on, I'm looking at this coupon thing. I'm just, this is for you guys. Right, this is for you. Just wait, because this is for you. All right, so we have a new F1 strategy trader. Welcome to the strategy. Welcome to the team. There are no more 40% discount for the F1 strategy, I'm sorry. All right, so, I don't know. Let's have a look. I'm going to try this again because I don't understand. I don't understand why the coupon's not working. Coupon already applied. Oh, shite. Oh, maybe it's my bad. Try the coupons again. Try the 50% coupon. Try the 50% coupon now, guys. My bad. I'm sorry. My bad. All right. AEE, you need to go to your client's account on our website and go from there. You're going to get the link there, the invite link to the VIP, group there in our website. Just go to the website. Welcome to all new traders. I'm happy to have you here. You know what? This is fucking working. I'm gonna do this every day. So on the Euro USD side, mate, I am looking to trade the upside on this market. just pretty much like what happened here. If you notice what happened here, we got range, 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 and then a spike up, range, 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 and then boom. This is pretty much what I'm trying to trade here on an F1 strategy trade. That's it, the upside. All right. So we have one. I don't know. Just try the coupons and let me know. But I still have more. I still have more discount coupons to give away. I have been live for 3 hours and I am not tired. If you stay with me, I'll stay with me. I'll stay with me. I'll stay here. 3 hours in. All right. So let's. Why don't we? Wait. I'm gonna wait and see. But this, I mean, this, my friends, is looking phenomenal. This long on the pound US dollar is looking phenomenal. You know, if I wanted to be a little less aggressive, I put my stop losses here, which I might. I'm just waiting to see. US dollar, Canadian dollar. We are looking good for that pullback towards our move, our levels. Boom, we are looking good. We're looking good. We're looking good. So that was, I hate the crosshair tool. So this was really the ups, the top of that move. Yep. Let's wait and see what happens, right? Yeah. Oh, I was going to do crypto. Now, let me just remind everybody that I am here and about to do a crypto rundown, I'm sorry. Yeah, a crypto rundown. Boom, boom, boom. I need to shave. Yeah, I'll do that later. I haven't even taken a shower, man, because of you. And because I woke up at 1 a.m., right? And it's 4 a.m. here. So let me just send a reminder for everybody. I'm still live after 3 hours. I'm doing a BTC and Ethereum rundown, and I might just do also another crazy crypto. All right. Oh boy. All right. Let's It's 4 a.m., mate. It's 4:12. You can see it. I know you can't see it because it's blackened, but it's 4:30 a.m. Yeah. I mean, I start always at around 1 to 1:30. You know. Yeah. Gulda. So this was. I just noticed that you know, the 50-minute breakout of the London Open doesn't work in gold, and that's fine. I'm not gonna do that anymore. Right, so let's fucking do Ethereum. Let's go to the hourly chart and let's have a look what's going on. Let's see if we can find something. I don't fucking know. Right now, let's go to the 2-hour chart because Ethereum and Bitcoin have been trapped inside of a range for a while. So first of all, let's have a look at this. Right, boom. I don't know. Thank you, Renthia. Thank you, Renthia. I love that a family of traders. You know, say hi to your husband for me. Say hi to your husband for me. Just a second, guys. Okay, let's do a rundown. We're going to do Ethereum. We're going to do Bitcoin. If you have another cryptocurrency that you want to have a look at, just go ahead and tell me. On the chat, more than happy to do that, mates. Let's do this. All right. We are 3 hours in. I haven't failed the 3 hours, to be completely honest with you. Now, let's start from the beginning, which means the 4-hour chart, right? So, crazy ass range that this crypto is trapped in. Boom. Couple of manipulations here and there. Right, a boom and a boom. Completely normal. But what are we fucking going to do here? Can we get a trade running or not? Let's have a look. Right, no, on the 30-minute chart. All right, so we have that move to the upside, right, and yeah. We got a break of the structure here. I mean, no, this is very toppy. This is looking very toppy, but my friends, hear me out. Hear me out. I might sound crazy, but hear me the fuck out. We are looking at a possible flat triangle here. Now, it's some, I am not very keen of trading, patterns in my charts, but this is looking like a flat triangle, right? Boom, 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 and this is a continuation pattern. So this might look okay on the long side. This might look okay on the long side, but still, let's have a look at Bitcoin. I mean, this is super choppy. This is absolutely fucking choppy. I wouldn't touch this market at all. I mean, I hate Bitcoin at this moment. Completely and utterly hate it. This is no good. This is burning money. But Ethereum, on the other hand, we might get something going on in the vicinity of this. Something like this could be good, for a 1.6 hour, just a day trade, just a momentum breakout. Remember that when this market breaks out and momentum enters this market moves a fuck ton. So yeah, this might be something good to have a look at. I'm gonna tag it red to come back later. Now I'm gonna place this. Let's have a look at the GBP USD. I'm not going to place those two orders that I have. This is supposed to be red. I'm not placing these two orders yet. The closest one is the USD CAD and the pound US dollar. Still looking, it still hips to go. It still hips to go. But again, this is the first. I mean, this is just liquidity, my friends. Hold on. This is just liquidity being taken out. Sell side liquidity being taken out right here. You know, right here. We have more sell side liquidity here, and we have more sell side liquidity here. Just before that big move to the upside. That's why I am targeting the upside here, because if this plays out, it would be stupid of me to close all my trades at the highs. So we need to wait and see what happens. I'm gonna hunt this. I'm gonna still hunt this for a while. As this Euro USD, still, I mean, it's still inside of that range. My F1 strategy setup is still very much valid. I'm waiting for that breakout. Let's keep rolling. So any questions that you have at all? I mean, I don't know. I might finish this live show now and come back for the US Open, you know, because there's absolutely nothing to say here or to do. A little bit on the pound yen side, shit. I mean, I'm gonna wait for this candle, for this week low, to get hit again. Maybe not. But you know what? That is my assessment on this market. We haven't looked at, you know, possible S&P 500s. Yeah, I mean S&P 500. I mean, what are we looking at here? Let's go to the 17-minute chart. There's absolutely no reason at all why I use the 17-minute chart. There's no reason. So here we have that character change, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. So we have to look for unmitigated demand areas, right, for our deep buys. That's anything. That's what we need to do. We have imbalance here, you know, of course. This, I'm just going to delete this. Let's look for unmitigated areas of demand in this market. Remember, this is, I could be looking also at, actually I'm going to look at, first of all, at the SPOOs. I don't need updated data. This is delayed data on the SPOOs. On the mini S&P 500, right? I don't need data, because I don't trade futures. But we have the same imbalance here. Let's have a look at our the volume. On the mini S&P 500 2-minute chart. Yeah, like this. Actually, fuck this. I'm gonna look at the CFD that I used to trade. This. So let's look for those unmitigated demand area. All right, cool. Again, welcome to all new VIP traders, all new F1 traders. Thank you. And welcome. So we have that imbalance, guys. We have that imbalance. And we have this sell side liquidity right here, right? What is my motto? If you've been with me for a while, you know that my motto is: first, look for people that have been fucked, then look for people that are about to get fucked, and then enter the fucking market. That's my motto. So let's look for people that are about to get fucked. We have that imbalance here. Imbalance, gap in the market. Boy, the imbalance goes all the way down here. Well, so we have a big imbalance here in this market. And I have two 30% discount codes if you weren't able to get the if you weren't able to get those discount codes, I just asked the team for more for you, more, right? But I'm gonna give it to you after my assessment on this market. Let's wait for let's see if we can find some unmitigated areas of supply. Go to the 15-minute chart. Now, here's the break of that structure here. Boom. I'm gonna delete this zone because this is absolutely no longer necessary. Now, pretty much this is on the 50-minute chart right here. This is absolutely what we're looking for. On the 50-minute chart, this is the 50-minute chart area of demand that I will be looking to trade. Demand zone, boom. Let's delete, no. But now that we have the 50-minute, I mean, this looks far away from price right now. It looks super far away, shit. But you know what? I mean, it's not how far away price is from my zone, but it's about trading the correct area, right? If price doesn't hit my zone, well, fuck it. It doesn't matter, right? Yes, here's where the buy orders start to build up. I mean, this is the zone that I want to be trading. Absolutely, this is the one. So we always look for that build up in buy orders, in this case, because we're looking for buys. Now, on the 50-minute chart, on the 3-minute chart, this is the absolutely zone that I want to trade on the 50-minute chart. So this is the zone. Boom. Let's get rid of this. Absolutely, this is the zone. So this is my dip buy zone on the 50-minute chart, on the 3-minute chart, right? Unmitigated. This is completely and utterly unmitigated. Now, we have liquidity here, and we have liquidity here, just below that imbalance. So this doesn't look absolutely terrible. Now, I'm going to wait for the open to continue with this assessment because it might look a little bit far-fetched, but you know, we have to wait and see what happens. Now, let's end up this live show with those 30% discounts for anybody that wants to take them. The 30% discount codes are show30. Just go ahead and use them as you please. I am going to place this GBP USD and this US dollar Canadian dollar later for the VIPs. So if you want to be part of those trades, just subscribe. There's a 30% discount code on the on for you guys, and I'll be back. I think I'll be back for the US Open, just to have more fun with you. Again, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you later. Cheers.